woman, who is saying that her heart is broken. She say that she went out on a business trip and left her 2-year-old son at home with his dad, and when he returned home, his son's face was bruised. Okay, so she actually posted a picture of the toddler as well. She then went on to say, I then asked my 5-year-old daughter what happened, and she said that when he was crying and being naughty, the dad took a hanger and flogged him on his face. And she went on to then confront the husband to say, and then she's saying that the husband did not deny it and he was not remorseful at all. And she's not happy, saying, what can I do? Are there any human rights groups that can help me out? I'm a worried mother. And which brings us to this question here. What's your take? How do you and your partner agree on disciplining your children? And what happens, when one parent thinks beating is necessary and the other believes in more gentle parenting? You get it? And I think it's really crucial. Hey, I don't know how you do it by yours, but then I think it's important to have a united front when it comes to parenting, right? And disciplining the children. And should you discuss and set clear boundaries on how far discipline can go? I think mega as a couple in terms of just your love life. Taisa aside, parenting yato yega game aside, you're not on the same page with anything, and to then agree to say this is what we do. But then I think the ideal situation, as I mentioned, is to form a united front, when it comes to parenting. It's crucial so that of course there is the good cop, the bad cop.
True.
Yeah. But then zingasabe too extreme and too far apart.
True. Yeah.
Sister Lewe,
Good morning.
good morning. Kuri say ku ningirikeni?
Ndoto vanototita because kune ma-good cops nema-bad cops.
Yes.
Watanga kuti kuline rakati ndo kwatinoda kunopaka, kwakati hatidi kunopaka. Ndoto vanotita but
Kuri say was not kuri say kubi.
ikoko
Branch
kwandiri mazuva
ndinofarira munhu anenge ari mugwara.
ari mubranch rake ka.
Yes, well done. So let's talk about this. Akuya mwana akamarika face kuti kochi daddy apo daddy vachona imi ndo nyaya dzatinoverenga mapepa dzekuti mwana anorowerwa zai kuti ndena adya zai. There are those stories dzinotobuda muna H Metro and just different places, and zvinotoitika.
Kurohwa kunzi wachachura muriwo and kwekudisciplina, but handifungi kudisciplining ingambudiswe munewspaper. These are the extreme cases ekuti this is beyond disciplining mwana kana makuona vana mukoma arunhu vakunyora headline ekuti akarohwerwa sai. Kunenge kusiri kurova kwekudisciplina, kwato abuse,
akatokwadzwa. Mwana otopinda muhospital.
vamwe vanotoshaya.
Vamwe vanotoshaya. Yes.
Nekurohwerwa. I also think beyond conversation yekuti tinodisciplina sei vana, I think you should also tomboongorora more parent wako, your co-parent, kuti hana maenga issues here, hana zvimwe zvinhu zvinotomunetsa here.
So mostly in those cases when anobva rova mwana udaiso kana ari murume, there are higher chances that he's also abusive to the wife as well. Kuti anotomurova saka ndo zvaanotongoita, ane maenga issues, ari abusive, and kuti atotsiurwa ipapo, sometimes zvinotonetsa. Yeah, it's so sad.
It is so sad.
It is.
Ukambona ma-families, back to our story, ekuti mumba munoita kunge mune division, kunge mune ma-province. Kuti kune province daddy, kune province mama.
Factions.
In the same house. Whereby amuna unity, amuna zvinhu ka one, because the kids think mama very cool and mama lets us get away with a lot of things. Then daddy
Or
is
maybe
stricter.
not entirely, but then maybe sometimes I've noticed kuti with, I think Jacques chienda with the new new parents now,
Itself.
like of our generation, because maybe they're a bit gentler and they play with their kids as they should. They get along with them, and then they also are strict to some extent. But then pana vaibva vaita extreme vakudhara vamwachona kuti kana dheti vachoyonesa vakutobuda mumba dheti vadzoka kubva kubasa, you know. Saka vanhu vanobva vatoziva kuti mama ndo vedu ndo shamwari edu ndo vatoseka navo, and then kuna dheti hakuna kuseka
yakatooma because now parenting yamazuva ano, so meaning kuti pamaparents futi hapafanira kunyanyoita generational gap panoitwa makakatanwa. Because I'm also thinking kuti, you know, if I get a generational gap when it comes to the parents, also their disciplining and parenting style inenge in a gap foot
to some extent, yeah.
So I told my disciplining, but I'm thinking, how can you beat a 2-year-old or is that type of parent you're good China show ipapo,
you know, it's really sad. And yeah, I would also want to hear kuti kwenyu munosvamba so safe and now discipline, good cop, bad cop. Umwachana anobazo nyanyere, like you're saying kuti pama good cops achona kuti vabva nyanyoregerere vari kwere.
Ekuti uta ground munhu wedu zvakanaka naka isusta taurana handiti iyo parenting yamati yemazivana. Kuti lewe wona waita musikanzwa ABCD, and I've told you kuti the moment you're going to do this, I'm going to take back your phone, I'm not going to give you your weekly allowance. Then the good cop comes and say hasina basa tovadzorera zvinhu zvese. Now ini ndinda kutonge munhu asina kunyatso, the bad cop asinganyatsonzwisisa. Saka mamwe decision I would rather talk to dad because they didn't know this. I'd rather talk to mama. Dova no saka na auchatumiki ka auchaite say matone ma factions.
Yeah, matone exactly. They should be a united front. Vanonfana kutonyazobatirana kuti sure inini kana ndaita decision so long as isiri kuabuse mwana kuti abatato batirira mwana zvekudaro kuti it's now bordering on abuse. Allow me to stand by that, you know, and kuti mwana awumbike zvakanaka. Morning fam, my partner and I had the discussion about our child before she was even born. I'm more gentle parenting and is more shamu parenting, but he respects that I'm with the child more than he is with, and he lets me parent the way I want, and he becomes I will tell daddy scare tactic, but he's never really used the shamu yet. That's my sender from Newcastle. Hi V Candy and lewe inini I have a problem with my wife because akatsa mwana urova vana chiri nemugoti because iye airohwawo nemugoti namai vake, so it's hard for her to understand kuti that is very wrong. Yeah. So you know these are real issues.
These are real issues.
Ekuti umwe parent haadi izvozvo anotoona kuti uyu anoshandisawo maybe because makuriro akaita ndo anotongorizota kuti mwana akanetsa iwo chakati obva atodzwa ipapo, and then you know they're told off. Kana ari kurohwa obva atorohwa umwe asingade. Saka munoita sei? Unombomutsiura here?
No, it's a problem. Kuti saka ini wakutoti handichagone because
wakutondiudzira semwana,
because you also need to cop your parent as your co-parent as well. Kuti apa did mapfurikidzira atadza, yes, but makupfurikidzira kana zvikasagamuchirika zvakanaka inokondoita problem yekuti imba yese inogona kutozotsamwira kuti makutoti ini ndakashata.
Yes,
mona saka
there are real issues. There are real issues. 0772162651. You can get in touch with us and weigh in on our trending today. Davina Green every time. 27 minutes past 9. Good morning.